Who is the dark brotherhood, and could they be potentially affecting your health, your vitality, your emotions, your clarity, your relationships, your business, your finances, if I didn't say that? So I lived most of my life not thinking or believing that any of this is true, was true, and could potentially be affecting me. But now that I'm open and I can see with clarity, I can help other people heal from the dark brotherhood, from entities, from beings, from adversaries that are affecting them, causing depression, causing illnesses, causing issues with finances, relationships. It is absolutely mind-blowing how they can affect even your thinking and how you're affected by negative thoughts or thinking negative thoughts about yourself or someone else. So I just had a girl reach out the other day that has been in my teacher training program, Healing Alchemy, and she was calling or leaving me messages, very upset, crying, emotional, like my life is over, whatever I'm doing isn't working. And I'm like, you're doing amazing, right? Like, what's going on? And when I opened the sacred space and I looked for her, she had the dark brotherhood like in her mind and in her body and in her emotions and affecting her in her field. And I said, the dark brotherhood are all over you. She said, oh my God, I was clearing them all night. And I'm like, okay, well, you know that they're real, and you know that that's not you, and you know you are more powerful than them. But when they are affecting you, it definitely doesn't feel like that, and that's why I'm here with you in your life to help you move them out. So, we moved them out, we upgraded her channels, upgraded her frequency, and she's like, oh my gosh, it's just amazing how it feels so real, how I think it's me. It's not you. If you feel disempowered and you keep looking to some pattern or picture or non-beneficial fundamental belief that you think you picked up from this lifetime, it is way more complex and detailed than that, and that's probably not exactly what is affecting you. So if you are open to actually know the truth of what's really going on, how to heal pain, emotional or physical or financial or relationships, I would love to help you open up to what's really happening, open up to help you see with greater clarity. If you would like to receive a healing for yourself personally, I would love to help you. I have an upcoming pendulum class to help you open your own clairvoyance, your own channels, and I will teach you how to protect yourself, the pendulum. I will help you upgrade your auric field, etheric field, light body, chakra systems, activate frequencies, higher frequencies and light crystals in your mind and in your body and in your heart, so that you're not going to be as affected by these low frequencies anymore. I have an upcoming teacher training, Healing Alchemy, a 3-month intensive. Sarah Adler and I are going to be doing this together, co-hosting, co-teaching. I've trained her. She's been working with me for over 10 years. She is amazing. And it will be more than just a training. It will be a healing and an upgrade of all of your systems and your entire being. So I would love to help you. So DM me if you need help, a personal journey with me, teacher training program for Healing Alchemy, so that you can be your own doctor and you can know what causes any kind of pain and know how to heal it, know how to hold space for people, as well as if you'd like to jump in the Pendulum teacher training program as well. That's just a 1-day course, and it's kind of like a nice, would say, prerequisite for the Healing Alchemy teacher training, which is May 1st. And it's for a very small group of people that want to dive in deep and really learn how to elevate your skills and become a more empowered, powerful you, connected to your soul, and actually see with clarity what is going on. All right, my loves, have a beautiful, blessed day.